Hi there, in this video I will show you how to make a prebiotic lemonade juice. It's amazing. You will need 3 lemons, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of black salt. Add 2 cups of water in the blender jug. Prefer to use citrus rammer to extract juice. Put the extracted juice in the blender. Add black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic. This is pure acacia prebiotic fiber, which so far has the highest prebiotic content in the natural world. The powder is made without heating or grinding, which is perfect for health benefits. Blend it well. Enjoy!